Hello students, this video is designed to help you understand how to submit a makeup PE assignment if you are absent. Your class in Schoology may look a little different than this, but I'm going to show you several different options that you have. If your teacher has a banner at the top of your course, you will see a link for the Darabee workouts. These are the acceptable or appropriate workouts that you can use to make up your PE class if you were absent for a day. And then here is the PE makeup link. So first, let's click on the Darabee workouts, and you will see that a page comes up and you can choose really any one of these 1,500 workouts that are available to you. Make sure that you follow the instructions at the top. For many times it'll tell you how long to hold a stretch or how long to hold a pose, or it will give you different options if you want to do level 1, 2, or 3, which consists of different numbers of sets to do for that workout. Once you choose a workout and you complete that workout, you will go to the PE makeup link. When you click on this link, it will ask you to make a copy of the document. So you're going to make a copy, and this copy will be saved in your Google Drive. So if you look at this document, you will see the date of the workout, the name of the workout completed. So you must put the title of the Darabee workout in this space here. How long it took you to do the workout. Notice the workout must be 20 minutes or more to make up for your PE assignment. How many sets did you complete? The description of the exercises, so you need to tell us in detail the name of the exercises or what kind of stretch or pose it was. And then what health-related components of fitness were used, which we discussed these in class. And then what skill-related components of fitness were used, which we also discuss in class. And then you are going to insert an image of your heart rate from your phone app, a Fitbit, Apple Watch, or other device. So we want to see a picture of the heart rate that you attained while you were working out. And we will teach you how to do this in PE classes. And then you are going to put in the rate of perceived exertion, or how you felt during the workout, on a scale of 1 to 10. And we will discuss all of those in class as well. So once you fill this document out, it is automatically saved to your Google Drive. Then what you are going to do is you are going to go to whichever folder your classroom has open and whatever date you missed. So let's say we're going to, let's say you missed the first day of Hantus in January. If you click on this date, you will see that you can submit an absent here. You will have a button that says submit assignment. So when you submit that assignment, you're going to go to your Google Drive and you are going to copy that assignment over into Schoology so we can grade that assignment for you. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to your PE teacher, and we will help you with that. One other thing is, if your teacher does not have a banner at the top of their Schoology page, you can also find these links here in a folder labeled Makeup PE Assignments. So please make sure that you complete a Darabee workout, and then you fill out your PE fitness log, and then you submit it to the date that it was due, and your teacher will get that graded, and you will receive your points for the day if you fill the fitness log out completely.